My name's Jenna Wilson. I'm the HR director and I've been here for almost 7 years. In my current role, I oversee all HR functions here at the Ohio facilities and in Tennessee. So with the HR functions, it's benefits, time and attendance, so everything from the start of your employment through the end of your employment, I kind of oversee the day-to-day functions with that. We are people first. This is our slogan. We really want people to know that we started out as a family-owned business and we try to keep that feel. Even though we are owned by a larger company, it still feels like JR is its own entity. We want the team members to feel like they are a person when they work here. We know their name, we know their history. We make sure, starting out in the interviews, where do they want to go? And it's great if people want to get a position and stay there, but if they don't want to, we need to know that so we can get them where they want to be. We specialize in incentives. We really like to come up with short incentives that we can give back to our team members. With that, we have our monthly quality incentives. So team members hit certain goals, we give them extra paid time off or a free meal to get everybody together and kind of celebrate the good work that they've done in the previous month. We also have Employee Appreciation Week, which we host each summer. It's a week long. We give out gifts and we have food and events. We also help out with the Jubilee uptown here in Fort Recovery and with Coldwater Picnic. We want to give back to the community where our people live. We also have our Christmas party, which is the big exciting thing here. We put a lot of time and effort into our Christmas party to make sure that the team members feel appreciated for what they've worked for all year long. So I like working at JR because of our team members. I don't know that I could do HR anywhere else. Our team members are great. They're good people, they have good values, and they understand the common goal, so they create the culture that we have here. If you're looking for a great place to work, visit jrmanufacturing.net.